Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound yen GBPJPY. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And you can check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD, and others. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of GBPJPY. Market trading at 155.17. This is the current market price. And in my video on Saturday, I clearly told you that we have a good upside. In fact, last week also I discussed about the possible up move on the chart of GBPJPY when market bounced from the 200 moving average on the daily chart. This is a daily chart of GBPJPY and see how beautifully market took support and bounced. Okay, so right now market is trading at 155.17, and if you are looking for a buy position on the basis of daily chart for swing trading purpose, then it is quite late here because already we have a movement of more than 200 pips here. Okay, so for swing trading purpose, this chart is or this trade setup is no more valid because market has already bounced by 200 pips here. Okay, for day trading purpose or for let's say today and tomorrow, okay, if we look at the 4 hours chart, and we can see yes, market on the 4 hours chart is also taking support more or less at the 200 moving average and going up. But the problem is that, okay, if we look at the upside here, or if I just ask you a simple question, market is going up, no doubt, but do you see the buying power here? Do you see the bullishness in the market? No, the buying power, the power of the bulls is missing. And in this market condition, it is very unsafe. Okay, it is very unsafe to take a buy position because we do not see the buying power. The market is not that bullish. If we look at the currency strength meter, okay, see this is the currency strength meter for the day. Okay, this is our Australian dollar, the strongest currency, and here is our JPY, Japanese yen, the second weakest currency. So whenever JPY is weak, we generally see all the JPY pairs going up. So JPY is weak today, so pound yen GBP JPY is going up. But there is a problem here. The problem is this. See, this is the chart of Japanese yen index. In the Japanese yen index, you can see market market is showing clear signs of price rejection on the daily chart. Okay, so price rejection from below means the presence of buyers. So right now JPY is weak, but there is a possibility that JPY will recover, and if JPY recovers, then there will be pressure on all the JPY pairs. There will be some sort of selling on all the Japanese yen pairs because currency strike meter may be showing JPY is weak today, but the chart is showing that we have got good possibility for JPY Japanese yen to recover. Okay, so here is our chart of JPY, and we have 155.30 on the upside as resistance here. Here also market failed to cross the resistance, and if market fails again to cross the resistance and starts going down, you can take a sell position. But let me remind one thing, that taking a sell position in this market is not a very wise decision, because to be honest, market is not in a good position right now. Because if you have watched my other videos that I uploaded today, Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, then you'll see that market is not giving us any clear signs here that in which direction there may be a good movement. Okay, and this is not that I'm just telling as a bluff. Okay, I have explained with proper logic why the time is not right. Okay, in the case of JPY also, okay, we can see that we have a selling opportunity here, but yes, the time is not right, the candles are not right, because the trend is kind of towards the upside. So things are not very clear right now. Beginners, new traders, stay away from this type of market. You should also know, you should also learn when to stay away from a market as well. There are certain players in the market. I will not call them as traders, because there are certain players in the market who thinks that you should be trading all the time. A trader does not trade all the time. A trader does not trade every day. Keep in mind, a real trader only trades when the opportunity is right, when the time is right, and the opportunity is not right now. There are other pairs also in the market, okay, that are showing good signs, but GBPJPY is kind of confusing right now, because if JXY recovers, there will be some selling from this sense. Okay, things are quite messy here. Okay, so if you are a beginner, you can avoid, and if you are an experienced trader, if you have been trading for quite some time, then you can take a sell position here. And if, yes, there is one more if here, and if you see a sudden buying in the market, if you see a sudden breakout in the market here, if you see the market has crossed this level with good amount of volume, okay, then also you can take a buy, because right now market is not showing any good signs of buying power. Okay, but this is not that market will not be showing at all. As the day passes, okay, there may be some opportunities where there will be a big breakout as well. JPY may weaken further. Okay, in that case, you can take a buy position if market breaks the level. Just wait for some time, wait for 2 to 3 hours, and just observe the market. Observation is very, very important. Observe the market and see. If you see that yes, market is trading comfortably, then you can go for it. Otherwise, avoid. You can take a sell position if reverses as well. So we have more or less two trading opportunities. One, taking a buy if market gives us a breakout, and second, taking a what happened second, taking a sell if market reverses. Okay, I will not be doing anything here. Okay, as you know that I do not edit my videos. I will not either I'll have to remove the video altogether, okay, or you'll have to watch it like this. Sorry.